Right now, there is a frantic, massive rush across the creator economy. Every day, countless new digital storefronts are springing up as creators try to launch their own private paid communities. But almost all of them stumble at the exact same specific point of failure. They erect a rigid $20 a month paywall on the exact same day they launch the product. For a potential user, hitting that paywall immediately triggers a hesitation. It asks for a financial commitment before the creator has demonstrated any baseline value. The day one monetization strategy actively works against the creator. It demands blind trust from users instead of offering them proof of value, which practically guarantees an empty room. This failure happens because of the cold start problem. This is a phenomenon where the value of a service depends on the number of users already using it, making it difficult to attract the very first participants to an empty system. This diagram shows that exact failure loop. You start with 0 users, which means the community has 0 actual value, which leads to 0 actual buyers. No reasonable person pays money to be the very first person inside an empty digital space. To successfully sell access to a network, you first have to solve this paradox. You have to figure out how to attract and subsidize the crucial first wave of users. To figure out how, we can look at a centuries-old industry that faces the empty room paradox every single night: the nightclub. Early in the evening, a nightclub's operational strategy is simple. They drop the cover charge entirely and let the initial wave of guests walk right in to get the party rolling. These early guests provide the energy and atmosphere that later paying customers are looking for. They serve as the raw material for the party itself, providing the momentum needed to attract a crowd. Looking at this chart of foot traffic over time, you can see how it works. That small, early bump of free entry acts as a catalyst, directly triggering an exponential spike in paid entries late into the night. The business deliberately absorbs an initial loss on cover fees. They know they have to manufacture social proof first, because that proof is required for their late-night profit. We can map this physical strategy directly onto your digital launch, whether you are building on Discord, School, or Patreon. By setting up a frictionless free entry phase, you remove all barriers. This allows you to rapidly gather a highly engaged core audience right out of the gate. During this free period, you gain massive operational advantages. You get to test exactly what your audience likes, curate high-value conversations, and practice being a host to build your own leadership confidence. This network diagram visualizes the result. What starts as scattered, isolated users rapidly connect to form a dense ecosystem. Because it operates as a network, value scales geometrically. Every active contributor makes the space exponentially more valuable for everyone else. Delaying monetization allows you to treat these initial months as a build phase, focusing entirely on the community's primary asset, the people. Here is the crucial strategic pivot. Launching your community for free is not an irreversible decision. You run this incubation phase for a few months, letting the ecosystem brew until it hits a self-sustaining critical mass. You watch for specific conditions to signal that it's time to pivot. You need a high volume of great contributors, an established internal culture, and total confidence in your offering. Only when those conditions are met has your community successfully transitioned from an unproven experiment into a highly valuable, tangible digital asset. That is the exact moment you flip the switch. You erect the paywall and charge a premium for all future access. Consider what a new user sees when they hit that paywall now compared to day one. They are no longer staring at an empty room. They are peering through the window of a booming party. The visible momentum and the established value inside now far outweigh the cost of the cover charge, eliminating the friction of the entry fee. In the digital economy, prioritizing speed kills communities. To succeed, you have to start for free, build the party, and capture the value only after your momentum is undeniable.